And just so you know, these are good.
I'm Susan Heller, the Kosher Keto Maven, and today we're going to make chicken nuggets. We're going to make them 3 different ways. And I have some great helpers today. This is my granddaughter.
Savannah.
And how old are you?
6.
And this is my grandson.
Russell.
And how old are you?
8.
And the ingredients are chicken, breast fillets, and eggs, and schmaltz. Who has the schmaltz? The chicken fat to fry them in, and the egg white flour from the egg white bread, and paprika, and onion powder, and garlic powder. Great. Those are our ingredients. All right, let's get started. Okay. First, we're going to crack 2 eggs and use the egg whites in our recipe.
Yeah.
Harder. That's good, isn't it? Put your thumb in there.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
I'm washing my hands.
First, I'm going to crack 2 eggs and separate them. And we're going to use the whites.
Oh, now I get it how to.
Ah. Well, you know what? I need another bowl. Russell, can you get me a little bowl like this white one down there? All right. So then we're going to put the yolks to save for a different recipe. Maybe some scrambled eggs. And
Ooh, can I put the yolk in there?
here's the second egg.
Yolk.
All right, there's no blood. Can you pour this on this plate?
Yes.
Okay, now I'll put that in the sink. Now our egg white powder we're going to put on another plate. This is a 1/4 cup measure. So I'm going to put Sav. You want to do that? Okay, hold on. I'm going to measure it and then you can pour it on the plate. Just in the middle is fine.
I know.
All right, let me get some more.
Can Tabby do all
Actually, I think I'm not going to get more. I'm going to just use 1/2 cup for now. And I'll put that back up here. And we're going to cut the chicken into pieces. I'm going to move this here. Now, it's a very sharp knife, so I'm going to do that. So, should we make chicken nuggets or chicken tenders?
Chicken tenders. Chicken tenders.
Okay, the chicken tenders are like long strips. Like that. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
This one's super long. I could cut it in half.
Oh, that was the best part.
That's good.
Ooh, I'm getting that piece.
Well, you can pick one after we cook it.
I'm gonna try it. Ooh, that looks fun doing it.
When you get a little bigger, you can use sharp knives. You have to be very careful when you use sharp knives.
Mom lets me use one of the knives here.
Really?
Yeah. She lets us.
Okay. So we have 3 chicken breasts. It's a little bit more than 1 pound. So there's our chicken. Are you ready to get your hands dirty?
Now? Yeah.
Okay, because we have to put the chicken. Oh, first we have to beat the egg whites a little.
Can I beat it?
All right, listen, look at me. See how I'm stirring it lightly? I'll tell you, if we splash it all over, then we might not have enough.
Okay.
Okay? So let me bring it over here.
I put the chicken inside the powder.
First, we're going to dip the chicken in the egg whites, and then we're dipping it in the powder, and then we'll put it on this plate.
Can I help you guys?
Actually, on some of them, we're not going to dip it at all, so we'll save some without dipping. Okay, let me do it a little bit.
Have it now?
No, I'm gonna finish it. Okay, that's good. So we're done with the fork. All right, so we're gonna do some plain chicken. So I'm gonna put some pieces aside for that. Let's see. We have 4
Can I use
pieces
it now?
here. Not yet. 1, 2, 3,
So some of them are not going to dip in?
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Oh, one falling.
Okay, it's all right. 5.
I'm ready to get dirty.
Ready to get dirty?
Yeah! Should we touch now?
You can touch. Okay.
Ooh.
I'm gonna put this pile right here on the plate over here because that pile is
Wait,
gonna
can
have
I dip it in
nothing.
this one and this one?
Yeah. So let me move this.
I
Hold
took
on,
it
hold
from
on.
that one. I took it
We'll do
from
all
that
that pile. So dip it in the egg.
one. Ooh. Can I do this?
Mm-hmm. And then dip it in the powder. Kind of roll it around. Okay, now lift it up and shake it off. Okay, let me see. We don't want too much on, just a little bit.
I'm
We're
gonna
gonna put it
take
right
one.
there. All right,
Yeah.
just we're gonna do that whole pile that way. Good job. Good job, Russ. Oh, expert cooks you are. Okay, shake it some off, Sav. Okay, and put it over here. Let me just get a little more off. So now we're gonna add some spices to it, some paprika.
Paprika? Oh, that looks gross.
Yeah,
It looks
and some onion powder. We'll do a taste test at the end to see which ones you like better. And some garlic powder. Shake this around a little
So
bit.
we're dipping it in both of these?
And we'll make a new pile right here.
Watch move.
Right here.
Move.
Okay, don't forget to shake it off.
Smells good.
Good, I'm glad you like
Wait,
it.
Russell, you missed a part. I'm doing it.
Okay, we don't want too much on. Perfect. Okay,
Wait, there's more.
yeah, little ones.
Both little ones.
I made these with whole eggs instead of just egg whites, and I felt like the egg taste took away from the chicken. So that's why we're doing it with just the egg whites. That's good, that's enough. All right. One more. Okay. Now raw chicken has some germs called salmonella, and that's why when we cook with raw chicken, we have to wash our hands a lot. So now it's time to wash your hands really, really well. We're going to heat this up to 350 degrees, and I have a thermometer to measure that. It goes pretty quickly. It's already up to 86, and it's going fast. 89, 90, 91.
Wait, can I
Oh, it
smell
smells so good.
Oh,
That's
Is that broth?
No, it's the chicken fat.
I know the boiling point and the freezing point of water. The freezing point of water is 30 degrees.
32.
32 degrees. and then the boiling point is 212 degrees.
Very good. I'm going to start cooking the plain chicken. We reached 350 degrees. Oops. And it'll probably cook 2 minutes on a side, maybe 2.5. I'm going to cook all of these first because these don't have any powder.
Okay.
When these are done, I'm going to cook the ones with plain powder, and then after that, the ones with the spices.
Okay.
What do you think, guys?
I think
Smells great, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it looks good too.
Oh, Russ, you know what? I need to take the cow for this plate. That's good. This one's fatter.
Why did I do that? Are you still cooking the plain?
Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and put these in while that last one's cooking. This is the one with just the powder. Let's check these. Oh yeah, that one's ready. Looks like they're all ready. All right, so now I'm going to put in the ones that had the paprika, the onion powder, and the garlic powder. And that's our last batch. All right, so we'll let them cook a bit. You like a breadcrumb one? That's the plain breadcrumbs. These look the prettiest with the paprika in it. Let's see if they're done cooking. Nope, not quite. Let's try another one. This one's thinner. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, this one's done. Yep, all done.
I already tried these two, so I know they're good.
That one's a little bit warm. Which one do you want to try? Wait, we gotta keep these in up here.
This is my favorite one.
The favorite? That's the one that had the spices in it.
Yeah, I like the spices the most.
You do? Mm-hmm. All right, great. I'm glad, but all of them are good.
Yeah.
But the spice one you like the best.
Yeah.
I like these two best. So first is the spice the most best, and this is the second.
And then the plain one is second for you? What's second for you?
This one.
All right, so
Powder.
So spices is first for both of you. Second for Russ is the one with just the white bread flour. And for Sav, the first choice is the spices, and the second choice is just plain chicken that's deep fried. All right, Batey of Long.